Who do we work with? Lots and lots of SMEs. We've completed over 1,000 deals with SMEs across the world using Connect and Develop. The example there is Astron Clinica. They have a system called a Seoscope, which is designed to measure the size of moles for melanoma investigations in the medical business. We looked at that. They came to us, in fact, with it and said, is this of interest to you? And we looked at it, and in fact we're applying it in store in the United States now for the assessment of women's skin under the context of olive oil. And they're getting, what they got out of this, by the way, was they got a license, and in addition they got access to the United States market for medical equipment, which for them was a pretty decent deal and not a bad business model, both for us and for them. It was a very good architecture of the revenues, which is the way I like to describe business models. We've got access and worked with significant number of technology and design groups, including Nesta, the National Endowment for Science, Technology and the Arts. In 2008, and maybe this is a model that Mike Dowson can think about, we ran an Open Innovation Challenge with product development consultancies and product design agencies, we presented 4 issues, and we got 253 different groups giving us solutions to those issues. We are currently working with one of them. So the chance is often quite low, but we are working with one, and we are taking that idea through Procter & Gamble's system. Nesta, by the way, supported the IP development for those groups. We work with British Design Innovation, and we work with lots and lots of university science and design groups, and indeed that's a growing sector of the market for us. We work with Imperial College and the Royal College of Art. We work with Central St Martin's, which is my college, and Cranfield, and we work here in Newcastle with Northumbria. And Connect and Develop, it does provide easy access to our business issues. If you go onto that site there, and you should, by the way, if you've got anything that you might think would be interesting to Procter & Gamble, whether it's the packaging design, product design, even process design, then on that site you will be able to access somebody who will be able to help you. I have one final thought, and I realize I must be going on, a final design thought, and it's got great relevance for Procter & Gamble, and I do use it now and again. Attractive things work better. Thanks.